Free traffic for your business. Now that you have a great-looking affiliate website store, what are you going to do? Even if you have the best-looking website store that has all of the potential of selling the best product on the internet, let's face it, if no one can find your site, you will not make any sales. What you need are massive amounts of quality free targeted traffic that will result in conversions. You want qualified buyers looking for what you have to sell. https://easyarticles.com/experts/leonardo_die_marzi/319159. It is no secret that no matter how good your affiliate website store looks, it will still take some time to rank and move on up to the first pages of the search engines. While you are waiting for this to happen, how can you get free targeted traffic to move through the site in order to generate interest in your products and maybe even generate some sales? Let's face it, no matter how cool looking your website store is, without traffic moving through it, it might as well not exist. The only way that you will be able to succeed is by being able to drive that traffic to your website. There are many ways to get this done, and then there is the easy way of accomplishing this. Why not start here? Grow your business with this free method.